Yo, do you want to go to... Let's go. Bro, I didn't even finish speaking. Let's go. Fuck you mean let's go?
Welcome to Metalhead's helpful tips and tricks on how to do things. And how to get achievements, because I became way too obsessed with this game, and now I have way too many achievements. Woo. By the way, don't watch this, cause spoilers, but if you give Barney, the guy who wants coffee, all the coffee he wants, he gives you an extra coffee machine, which is really nice, because we love staying alive, most of the time. Got all the achievements except for the 100 shift achievements, because the shifts have been becoming longer ever since the update, so that's fun. Oh, you can actually give this guy coffee and then you don't get jump scared, and you'll actually get an achievement for it as well. And then also, if you leave him there long enough, he just breaks the glass and leaves. So yeah, that's also a thing. Also, I'm pretty sure the first two are never anomalies. The first two that I already treated. Matthew! Matthew, my boy Matthew. Hey Matthew, my boy. Matthew's actually really nice. When I first played this, I actually thought he was an anomaly because he had most of the signs. He wasn't, and I felt so bad. Bye bye, Matthew. Oh, there's also a secret key you can get with Matthew if he has all the conversations, but yeah, I'm pretty sure everyone's already played this game and everyone's already discovered all the secrets. This should be fine. I've never soloed this actually before. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh well. Pretty sure my mic quality is actually really bad, which is just wonderful. I think I want to stream at some point. Like, just do random stuff in Minecraft and stream it. I think that could be cool. And then just maybe a Q&A. I don't know why I drank that. I could have totally saved that. Can I have more coffee back, please? Please? No? Okay. I hate Barney. I actually used to hate Barney. I used to yell at him to go away. I thought that was not life. I'm really mad. Hey, Rafi. I think you got a lot of something on your face. Just a small something. It's no big deal, honestly. It's like a tiny... A tiny... This guy complaining. Just come here and check in and you'll be fine. Hey, Ron. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure Ron and Rafi are never entities. Buddy, no, not good. Don't kill Ron, don't kill Ron, don't kill Ron, don't kill Ron, don't kill Ron. Yes, chase the other guy away. Good job, buddy. Good job. Sometimes it just won't give me the button, and that's just lovely. Oh yeah, I was totally one of those annoying people at the beginning who would kill them with the antibiotics or the medicine because I would mistake them. I'm sorry. So yeah, but I got it now. Now I get it done with 22 seconds. Sweet. I really want a gun. Oh, don't take that out of context. I have $8 to my name. That's great. What do I need to see on the screen? I'm so good at this game. I've half memorized all these tweets. I'm so good at this. I'm the best. I'm not the all-seeing eyes, man. Just starting everyone's processes because these machines take actual centuries. Someone's gonna turn. Watch it. I fucking knew it. it. You got it. How did I know? It took too long, though. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, I've healed everyone. This is taking a while. Someone's gonna turn. You have a taser now? Yes, I do have a taser now. Ew. No. Okay, dude. I think there was something wrong with your neck. You should get that checked out. Hey, Barney. Okay. There's body parts in there, Barney. Don't lie to me. You can't open it. I've tried. It's just very sad, but you know. You know what? This isn't that bad. I thought playing solo would be a lot more difficult. This isn't that bad. I just check in everyone and then I heal a bunch of people and look at that. I'm at 98 sanity. This isn't that bad. Oh. Okay. Oh. No. Yes. Bye. Maybe I should just let in everyone because, except like the obvious ones, because this isn't that bad, you know? This isn't that bad. Oh. Honestly, still not that bad. I think the game's just trying to prove me wrong at this point. You know what? It's not that bad. Jump scare. Yeah, I'm gonna let the obvious. The ones that aren't. I'm just gonna let them in. Surgery. 21 seconds. Oh, by the way, you can also give the eye drops. And then you can look at them for a while. And it also gives you an achievement. Isn't a thermometer to diagnose a fever, not treat it? Just ask it, because, like, these are some weird inconsistencies. Of course I looked up. Perfect. Great place to look right now. How are they already here? That is not cool. I'm a professional. Not this useless ass. Look at you. You don't do anything. What do you even do? No help at all. If you think about it, this is more like a walk-in clinic than a hospital. Yes, go get your surgery at the walk-in clinic. It's not big enough to be a hospital. Only has one layer. 8 rooms. I get it's a game. It's just funny to think it's like a walk-in clinic and not actually a hospital. Well, hello there. Please don't eat. Okay. He's just a kitty. Although there was some dark lore about bed monsters in this game, and why Ron always carries maple syrup on him for the bed monsters. It's actually kind of cool, so if you want to find out, you can give the Dr. Minty on his break and ask about the last employee. You can ask about other stuff too, but yeah. Bonus? Money? Money, good sir? Money? Money? Yay, a bonus! Where's our coffee? I should totally be taking the coffee in case of emergencies, which I'm not doing for some reason. I can afford both. I should actually not be letting visitors in. Barney, what's up? Ignore me drinking more coffee. For absolutely no reason, because I'm at 170. I know, right? I'm the best. Oh yeah, if you don't know, his photo shows that he's an anomaly. Oh my goodness, he's a murderer. He's in the office, guys? Really? Oh. Dude, you don't look so good. That's lovely. What is this? No, genuine question, cause like, what are you? Are you like a unicorn or a shark, maybe? Do you have like horns instead of ears? Shark? Same goes to you. You at least are as gray like a shark. You're just purple. And, oh, that explains a lot. Yeah, I see it now. Yep. Yeah, cause like that's a cat. And I kind of understand the one with 2 horns. It's like not exactly cat ears, it's a different kind of ears, or maybe it is just 2 horns. But like, what about the 1 horn? Is that like a fin, or like sea creatures, or like... Just genuinely, I know these character designs are very detailed, but I'm just curious what it means. Because I'm not sure. Oh, by the way, console players don't have this little heart mini game. For the console players who might be watching this, yes, there's a little mini game. It's a cute mini game. It annoys me when I'm trying to do stuff. Not these little fucks again. Please. I didn't do anything to you. Please leave me alone. No. Please. This is why I keep dying. Fumbling. No, you're not. Okay, come here, buddy. No. Come. No, not the patient. Not me! No. No. Ring around the rosy. Okay. Got him. That was terrific. No! Fuck. He's fine, he's just napping. Now which one of you is gonna turn? Because I know it's gonna be one of you. Do I at least have a taser? Are there clients? No, I can't. Okay. I'm sorry. Ooh. Oh well. Ooh. Weird. Hey Barney, I have so much coffee, it's actually kind of ridiculous. There's a cafe right down the road, but you know. Don't mind me, I'm just aiding a murderer for a coffee machine. I have good morals, trust. Barney's actually kind of chill. You know, there's probably a better way to go around this than just like booking in most people. I'm curious how high of a round I can get, and the shifts end faster the more you book them in. Thank you, Stalker. Thank you for everything. Thank you for irritating me to a great amount. Thank you, Stalker. I know Ron's fine. You're... Unless you're a secretary, there's no use in letting the visitors in. They don't count towards your counter. Plus, they might turn into anomalies, so then you have twice the chance of that happening. No. I saw that. Matthew, hey buddy. No. You thought. Ow. I don't think the ghosts like me. I think they're mad at me. The way their eyes come up first is creepy, and it makes me think they're an anomaly. Even though that happens for all of them. I still think it's an anomaly every time. I'm gonna grab some coffee. Like I need it. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast. Oh. Well, I was gonna say still fast as fuck, boy, but, I don't think I am. Meow. Great success. If only I wasn't broke. Me saying that's nice. Can't afford that either. I didn't have a lot of time to record, so I'm really sorry. Bleh. Good job. I'm really sorry for cutting it short, but yeah, hopefully I can make some more videos in the future. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Sakadung kading padung ding.